We are not in my truck that is dead. Some of you might even notice what kind of car this is. Well, welcome to my new car. 2013 FRS. Black on black. Coilovers already. Roto wheels. 2 owners. Slick as hell. I am actually on my way home with it right now. I've been looking at getting this car, specifically this car, for about 2 weeks. We've got so much to do. This will be a full race car when it is done. Cage, body kit, full turbo kit, hopefully JDL, full exhaust, all full bolt-ons of course, carbon fiber hood, trunk, etc. For me, this is a big step in my life. I've gone from front-wheel drive cars and my slow truck to owning my first 2-door, front-engine, rear-wheel drive sports car. This is a big moment for me. I've loved these cars since I first saw them, and I've always wanted one. And I kept thinking, what's holding me back? Why wait? If you wait until tomorrow, it's tomorrow, and then the next day is tomorrow. If you want something, get your head straight and go get it. Do what you have to do to make your dreams happen. There's no sense in waiting. There's always a reason to not do something. Why skip out on today? This is going to be one hell of an adventure. I can't wait. Okay, well it finally stopped raining so we can do the walk around here. Other than the rotor wheels and the lowering springs, it is in fact completely stock. I prefer it that way, leaves me more room to do my thing. I know I'm biased, but I definitely think that this is a gorgeous car. I think it's very well styled. It looks as good as it feels going down the road. And I can't wait to actually get further into modifying it and making it my own. We will be doing badge deletes, tinting lights, etc. I think the interior is just phenomenal too. Okay, let's go around and pop the hood for those of you who don't have one and would like to see. It did come with the carbon fiber hood dampers, but other than that, it's completely stock. And I will be modifying the stock snorkel under the front, behind the bumper. It's supposed to be good for about 5 horsepower, says the dyno sheets. Did come with a new battery in it. We've got a lot of work to do.